What's up, y'all? Today we're getting flown out to Seattle to interview with Microsoft, and this is gonna be our journey. So here we are inside the airport, and let's go check in. So here we are, made it through security and waiting about 2 hours for our flight because we got here super early. So I really want to sleep because I have so much time, but the last time I fell asleep at the airport, when I woke up, no one was there and everyone had boarded the plane already. So then I ran to the front desk and it was a whole struggle. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Boarding the plane now. I'm excited. So we boarded the plane and they have movies here. So maybe might watch a movie and fall asleep. Who knows? Here we are at the hotel. Got my card. Wanna go? Worked right the first time. And here's our room. I got 2 beds. 1 for each night. It's amazing. See the bathroom? Oh, ready for this cool outro? So we're in the hotel. The flight was really smooth. I had the whole row to myself, so that was nice. And then they actually sent a driver to pick me up, and this consisted of a man in a full suit with an iPad with my name on it, waiting for me right outside of the security checkpoint. And he walks me to the BMW to drop me off to my hotel, and he like pops the trunk, holds the door, and waits for me to put my stuff in the trunk and for me to enter the car. It was insane. So now I have an assignment due at midnight that I'm working on, and I ordered some DoorDash, so let's let's get to work. I had to go out and pick up some things from a convenience store because some of my things got confiscated at TSA. But I'm outside in Seattle. Look how cold it is. Look at that. It looks like I'm like, oh my goodness. It's too cold here. I can't do this at all. So after a long day of napping, studying for the interview, and not doing my assignment, it's time to sleep because I have to wake up early tomorrow to get there. So, good night. Good morning. It is time. Today's a big day. Let's get it. Ready? Watch this, watch this, watch this. So we just finished some interviews. I'm feeling good about it. I'm feeling good about life. Yeah, so it was, the first interview was half behavioral, half technical, standard technical questions you'll find on LeetCode. The other two were actually both behavioral, stuff on my resume, diving deeper into technical conversations. And yeah, it's time to visit the Microsoft store. So, just came back from the Microsoft store where they gave us a fat discount and a bag bigger than me. Got a lot of things, excited, and I'm about to Uber home. Back in the hotel room, and it is time to sleep so we can catch our flight tomorrow. After a long day, happy the way things turned out, and we'll hear back soon. Good night, everyone. Good morning, everyone. It's time to go home. It's time to go. Time to go. Yeah, that's both go on. Nice, man. Hello everyone, we are back in San Jose and we're headed towards Santa Cruz right now. And looking back at everything, it was a really great experience. Thank you Microsoft for having me. I think that everyone should get to experience this, so I highly recommend you do. It was probably, I think it was my most favorite experience interviewing at a company that I've had so far. So really hyped about that, and overall had a great time.